Of all the neighborhoods in Richmond Hill, Bayview Hill is one of the most exclusive. What makes this property even more interesting is it's on a court. This home has been meticulously redesigned by world-renowned designer Jane Lockhart. Hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of upgrades have been spent. Let me show you my favorite part. Double chef's kitchen, sub-zero appliances, Miele double oven, and a Wolf range. There is no expense that's been spared on this kitchen. There is so much to love about this house. With over 6,500 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 6 washrooms, there's a spot in this home that's waiting for you to call it yours. Thank you so much for following along for this tour. For more information, get in contact with me. I hope everybody stays safe.